All right, first rates. It's a good start. It is a good start. 3 rupees higher for Reliance. Reliance is taking a pause, which is perfectly all right, which is good news. The Reliance is taking a pause, but it's banks. Does the relentless move in bank, is it extending itself? Is this a risk-on rally for banks and metals and everything else? HDFC Bank 1400 or 52-week high for HDFC Bank. ICICI Bank 2 rupees down. Axis Bank 5 rupees down. Let's look at RBL and IndusInd Bank just to establish the trend here for some of the banks. Select pharma stocks have taken a backseat. And will pharma make a comeback? We've got good numbers from pharma companies. I was surprised the selling in Cipla yesterday, even though their margin expansion was very strong. 44 rupees higher for Cipla, 2 rupees higher for Dr. Reddy. So no large, real, big punchy price action I think is there. I want to look at metals because if indeed this is a risk-on rally, then surely risk-on stocks will do much better than what other stocks will do. And risk-on means high beta names. ICICI Bank, not HDFC Bank. Hindalco, not Nestle. Let's look at that. Some of the metal names here. I'm just waiting for my producer to start firing those names here. Metal stocks, please. Hindalco, Tata Steel, SAIL. These are some of the names from the metal space which clearly are showing signs of life. So it's not a great start, but yeah, a rub of green is always a good thing first thing on a new trading day.
Yeah, absolutely. And the good thing is that even though the Nifty move may look tempered because I think we've been spoiled off late with big bang moves, but we're only inching closer to 12,700 now. And the good thing today is that the breadth has really made a very strong comeback. So within the NSE universe itself, it's a good 800 plus stocks which are standing to the advances right now. Couple of earnings today, Aurobindo Pharma, Shree Cement are going to be the more critical ones. So look out for those. Tata Power came out with its numbers. The PAT has come in higher by 10%. ABB Power as well, wherein the Q3 revenue saw a jump of 57% on a sequential basis. Bata has swung to losses in the second quarter. Margins as well cracked for them on an annualized basis. So look out for that as well. And NMDC, the board has approved a buyback of 1378 crore rupees. These are a couple of newsy stocks that you may want to look out for. Then, of course, I want to see where this entire rotation theory is actually taking place. Banks, of course, have really been in the fore, but you also have seen a big jump up in the likes of a PVR, Interglobe Aviation, because what the news of the vaccine really did is it somewhat subsided fear. So you've got the aviation, hospitality, multiplex names. They are the ones which have been jumping up. Yesterday as well was a very strong session for Interglobe Aviation, held out by roughly about 9% in the future. So let's check in on those names and where they're headed. And I just want to quickly bring up the Nifty IT index as well. IT, remember, has been taking a bit of a pause because of this sectoral churn. There's some bit of profit taking which is happening in IT and Select Pharma. So just want to quickly revisit what Nifty IT and Nifty Pharma are up to. But so far so okay. We're holding up fine. The headline number is not going to disappoint you in any which way. We're only closer to 12,700. Balkrishna Industries has made a very strong move. Cipla, Lupin, Apollo Hospitals, Pharma clearly back. NMDC taking a pause. LIC Housing, IndusInd Bank, Muthoot Finance, Chola Finance Nikunj are the ones which are sitting on the sidelines today.